Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the Casio calculator watch. So I'll pull it out for you. This is what it looks like. This is the face of it, and then you got some small buttons at the bottom. That's for the calculator function. And then if I turn it around, it's a resin strap. So I'll turn it back around for you. It's got a lot of functions on it. It's actually a very cool watch. It gives you a 25-page databank where you can store 25 names and phone numbers right into the watch. So that's it there. It's also got obviously the calculator function, which is the main feature on it. So I'll go ahead and just do 2 plus 2. 4, so that's awesome. And then I'll go ahead and just clear that out. And you have different functions, division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, which is pretty cool. And we've also got an alarm function, stopwatch, dual time. And what's also really, really interesting about it is it's multilingual. So if I press this up here, ENG, it shows that it's on English, but you could program it for either English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, or Portuguese, which is super cool. And it's got 50 meters of water resistance, which means it can handle a little bit more than splashes. You can wear it out in the rain without being worried that something's going to happen to it. The case and the strap are made of a lightweight black resin. So it's like super cool, very sleek, very, very lightweight. It has a really retro vibe to it, that 80s and 90s vibe. It reminds me of like Marty McFly, Back to the Future sort of style. So if you're just a retro tech lover, a traveler, a student, or someone who just loves having a little calculator on their wrist, then this is the timepiece for you.